Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Extension. If you're new here, I'm Lonis, livestock expert, and in this channel we normally provide the best livestock tips. If you're planning to start dairy farming in Kenya, one of the biggest decisions you will make is choosing the right breed. The breed you will select will determine your milk production, feeding costs, disease resistance, and overall profitability. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to select the right dairy breed, the best dairy breed in Kenya, comparison in terms of milk yield, butter fat content, feed conversion ratio, and also disease resistance, initial capital requirement, water and feed intake, and which breed are the best for beginners. So make sure you watch till the end so that we get to learn together. The first one on list is Holstein Friesian. This is the most popular dairy breed in Kenya. Milk yield ranges from 25 to 40 liters per day per cow under good management. Butter fat content is moderate and it ranges between 3.2% to 3.5.7%. Feed conversion ratio require high quality feeds, convert feed efficiently but eats a lot. Water intake can range between 80 to 120 liters per day depending on the overall temperature on that condition. Initial capital in terms of initial capital, it requires you pocket up very well because buying this Friesian cow ranges between 180 Kenyan shillings or up to 350,000 Kenya shillings. But this also depend on the pedigree. In terms of disease resistance, it's sensitive to heat stress and diseases, require good housing and management. Friesian cattle is best for farmers with good capital and farmers who have already established the zero grazing system, and also does very well with experienced farmers. It's not friendly for beginners unless well supported. The second breed is Ayrshire. Ayrshire is very adaptable and popular in Kenya, and in terms of milk yield, it can produce up to 18 to 25 liters per day. Butter fat content ranges between 3.9 to 4.2%, and when compared to Friesian, it has higher butter fat content. In terms of water intake, it can take up to 60 to 80 liters per day. While thinking to purchase Ayrshire, you should have around 150,000 to 2,050,000 Kenya shillings. In terms of disease resistance, it's very strong compared to Friesian. In short, Ayrshire are not that prone to diseases compared to Friesian, and it tolerates very well in local condition. And this breed is very best for beginners, semi-intensive production system, medium capital farmers, and it's a very well balanced breed. So if you're thinking to venture into dairy farming, I'll advise you to think of Ayrshire. But in comparison to Friesian, we see Ayrshire holds strong points or strong advantage compared to Friesian.
The third breed is Jersey, small body in size but powerful milk producer. It can produce up to 15 to 22 liters per day. Butterfat content is 4.5% to 5.5%, very high compared to Ayrshire and Friesian. Best for yogurt, cheese and premium milk market. And in terms of feed conversion ratio, it's very efficient. Eat less but produces high quality milk. Water intake can vary between 50 to 70 liters per day, and initial capital you require like around 120,000 to 200,000 Kenya shillings. It's very resistant to diseases. It's high in heat tolerant, and it has very few metabolic disorders. And this breed is very best for beginners, small scale farmers, and also farmers with little or limited land. Very beginner friendly and profitable due to high butterfat content in the milk. If you are just starting, start with 1 or 2 cows, preferably Jersey, Ayrshire or crossbreed. Invest in a good housing and feed before buying a very expensive cow. Remember, good management is more important than breed. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video, comment which breed you prefer, subscribe for more practical dairy tips, and also share this video with someone planning to start dairy farming. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.